Hello dear students, before proceeding further, I would like to say something. Please watch video completely, sit with copy pen. If you find somewhere important points, note it and go further. Okay, continue now. Okay, let's move on. And what the question says, two identical glass rod S1 and S2, refractive index is 1.5, have one convex end of radius of curvature 10 centimeter. They are placed with the curved surface at a distance d as shown in the figure, with their axis shown by the dashed line, aligned when a point source of light P is placed inside rod S1 on the axis at distance of 50 cm from the curved face. The light rays emanating from it are found to be parallel to the axis inside S2. The distance d is, you have given four options. First option is 60 cm, second option 70 centimeter, and third option 80 centimeter. D option is 90 centimeter. And this question is asked JEE Advanced 2015. As I have always been saying that the question should be read thoroughly. We automatically know what to do. So therefore, you have given two rods S1 and S2. An object is kept 50 centimeter away from the pole from first rod. And after refraction, first this image is considered an object for the second, and again this process going on, and after refraction it goes to parallel, and we have to find out the distance is d, both the rods is apart from each other. So by one we have to using the formula. Which formula you can use? Refraction through spherical surfaces. Which formula? For denser medium to rarer medium, remember, denser medium to rarer medium, you can use the formula mu by u minus 1 by p equal to mu minus 1 by r. This formula is used for denser medium to rarer medium. What is mu is given? Mu is given 1.5. Okay, now put the value of 1.5. And what is u? 50 centimeter. By sign convection rule, use minus 50 centimeter, right? And 1 by v we have to find out, and 1.5 minus r. What is r? R is given 10 centimeter, by again using sign convection rule, minus 10. Removing this decimal and applying 0 at the denominator. 5 is a 15, 100 minus 3 by 100 minus 1 by v equal to 0.5 minus 1 by 10. Again 5 by minus 100. Not need to cancel out because 100 here also 100. So we can find out easily value. Transposing the number 5 by 100 at the left side, now it become plus 5 by 100. Now this minus 1 by v transposing to the right side, now it become 1 by v. Taking LCM, 100 minus 3 plus 5 equal to 1 by v. Then your v, what is your v? V is 100 by 5 plus 5 minus 3 is 250. Then v equal to 50 centimeter. Okay. Now for the second condition. For the second condition, suppose to be it is 50 centimeter. But this is distance, we have don't know about that. What is the distance actually? So we have put as it is u. But here after refraction it goes to the parallel. Means by using again the refraction through the concave surfaces from rarer to denser, mu by v minus 1 by u equal to mu minus 1 by r. It is 1.5 and infinity. 1 by u, you have to find out u, and 1.5 minus 1, and r is positive 10 centimeter. Something upon infinity becomes 0 minus 1 by u, 0.5 by 10, then minus u equal to 5 by 100 means 1 by 20, then u equal to minus 20 means it is the in front of the surface 20 centimeter. Now total distance 50 plus 20. Sign, only sign shows the location. So therefore eliminate the minus sign. And now d equal to 70 centimeter. So your correct answer is B, option is correct. Next question. Water with refractive index equal to 4 by 3 in a tank is 18 centimeter deep. Oil of refractive index 7 by 4 lies on water, making a convex surface of radius of curvature r equal to 6 centimeter as shown. Consider oil to act as a thin lens. An object S is placed 24 centimeter above water surface. The location of its image is at x centimeter above the bottom of the tank. Find the value of x. This question is asked IIT 2011. In first glance, the question seems to be difficult, but it is very easy. Let us first we have to consider like this way horizontally, because it is too difficult to be solve this question. So therefore we have to consider to be horizontally. All system kept at horizontally. Here it is in air, so we have to kept here this object at 24 centimeter away from this oil drop, and then this is the water drop. This distance is 18. R is equal to 6 centimeter. This question can be solved in two ways. First, air to oil, and then oil to water. Okay, and we have to find out the position of image. First, air to oil, it means rare to denser. Which formula you have to use? Mu by V minus 1 by U equal to mu minus 1 by R. What is mu? You have given mu is 7 by 4. So now 7 by 4, you have to find out V. What is U? U you have given 24 centimeter negative. 7 by 4 minus 1 by R. What is R? R is 6 centimeter. Substitute this value 6. Then 7 by 4V minus minus plus 1 by 24. 4 ones are 4. Then 3 by 4 into 6. 7 by 4V plus 1 by 24. 3 ones are 3. 3 to the 6. 1 by 8. 7 by 4V equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 24. Taking LCM 24. 24 by 2, 12. Then V should be 12 into 7 by 4, 4 3s are 12. V equal to 21 centimeter. Okay, it is for the first condition. Now for this image, now this image considered as an object for the second phase. Second phase means from oil to water. Okay, here oil is a denser medium because its refractive index is 7 by 4. And refractive index of water is 4 by 3. So therefore oil can be considered as a denser medium. And which formula you can use? Denser medium to rare medium, mu by U minus 1 by V equal to mu minus 1 by R. Remember, this formula can be used for the air and another medium, but here two different refractive indexes. So therefore we can use another formula, mu2 by U minus mu1 by V, mu2 minus mu1 by R. Okay. Now here we have to already discuss about that this image distance considered as an object, but here what is 21 centimeter means behind this system U should be taken positive. And what is mu2? Mu2 is given 7 by 4 and U is given 21 plus means 21 positive. Mu1, what is mu1? 4 by 3 and V, and 7 by 4 minus 4 by 3 upon R. Now what is the question is that what is R? For the plane surface, what is R? R is going to infinity. Okay, because here the rays needs to at infinity. So here we have to consider infinity means something upon infinity 0. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 1 by 12 minus 4 by 3 v, 1 by v. Then minus 4 by 3v equal to 1 by minus 1 by 12, minus minus cancel. Then v equal to 3v upon 4 equal to 12. Then v equal to 12 by 4 by 3, 3 fours are 12. Then v equal to 16 centimeter. Now we have to find out the x. Then what is x? X equal to total distance 18. We get here 16. Then x equal to 2 centimeter. Our correct answer is x equal to 2 centimeter. Next question. A biconvex lens is formed with two thin plano convex lenses as shown in the figure. Refractive index n of the first lens is 1.5 and that of the second lens is 1.2. Both the curved surfaces are the same radius of curvature r equal to 14 centimeter for the biconvex lens. For an object distance of 40 centimeter, the image distance will be, you have given four options. A equal to minus 280 centimeter, B option 40 centimeter, C option 21.5 centimeter, D option 13.3 centimeter, and this question is asked IIT 2012. Okay, what question says here? The first half, the different material made up of different material, its refractive index n equal to 1.5, and second half is made of different material mu equal to 1.2. So we have considered different two parts like this and this one. Okay, now its combined focal length can be written as 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. And what is your formula for the lens maker formula? 1 by f equal to mu minus 1 and 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So we have using this formula two times because f1 for using here first part and f2 it is used for second part. Then 1 by f equal to mu in the place of mu can be written as n1. n1 minus 1, its refractive, its radius of curvature is 14 positive and second is plane. So therefore what is radius of curvature? Infinity. And for second n2 minus 1, it is also again first part, first surface is plane, so radius of curvature is infinity. Minus 14 minus minus become plus. Then 1 by f, n1 is, what is n1? 1.5 minus 1 by 14, something upon infinity 0, plus again n2. What is n2? n2 is 1.2 minus 1, something upon infinity again 0, then 1 by 14. Then 1 by f equal to 0.5 by 14, 0.2 by 14. Then removing this point using 0, then it becomes 1 by f equal to 7 by 140. Then f can be written as 140 by 7. Then f equal to 20 centimeter. But we have found out the final image. Then using the lens formula, what is lens formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. You have already found out the combined focal length 1 by 20, 1 by v, and what is u? You have given u 40 by sign convection minus 1 by 40. So 1 by 20 minus 1 by 40 equal to 1 by v. Then 1 by v equal to, taking LCM 40, 2 minus 1, then v equal to 40 centimeter. Which is option? Option B is correct answer. I hope so you understand. I hope you have seen this video completely. but still many students are not subscribe it. So please subscribe it because it is very useful and it is the source of my energy. Thank you.